Okay, this is the center bank of elevators here at Palisades Center Mall, West Nyack, New York. And this is going to be the final ride because these are getting modernized. Over there is the Cheesecake Factory. Does this button work? No. Alright. Let's go down to parking. Ooh, this panel's falling loose. ADA fob. We'll get a cab view in this one. It's identical to all the others. Oh, you going up? Which floor? What floor?
I got 3, thank you.
Okay. Ooh, bang. Alright. Going down? Yeah. Alright, come on in. What floor?
Number 1.
Going down?
Yeah.
Yep.
Which floor?
I think this is the next one.
So you're going to 2?
Parking lot, yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. This is 2.
Yep.
Thank you. Go ahead. All right. This is going down. Are you going down? Okay. All right, this is the parking level. Go ahead. Have a nice day.
You too.
All right. Which floor? It's going up?
Yeah,
Okay.
hopefully.
It's going up.
Well, it's going up.
Which floor?
I think 3.
3? Okay.
Thank you. Oh, you guys want to watch this? Want to watch going up and down?
Up.
Up. Going up. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
All right.
It's gonna go up again. It's gonna go up again, guys.
Hold on.
Hold on.
You go.
Yep. Okay, this is one more.
All right. It's going up. Are you all going up?
No, I'm going down.
All right, this is going up. All right. Y'all going down?
Is that the third floor?
I think it is.
You want to go to 3?
Yeah.
Food court?
Classic leveling, I missed that.
Thank you, man.
Going down?
Yes.
All right, which floor? First? Okay. All right. Let's get to classic leveling. Nice. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You going down? Which floor? Parking. Oh, parking, okay. Go ahead. All right. All right. Oh, the fan switch is totally busted. All right, that's it.